Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Today we are going to do the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. HCF of two natural numbers is the largest common factor or divisor of the given natural numbers. This is the definition. Of the all divisors, common factors, the highest one is HCF. Now, how to find out HCF by prime factorization method? That I have shown you two examples. First example, 24 and 96. How you can find 24 and 96? These two numbers, HCF. First of all, 24 and 24. When we do the prime factorization of 24, we'll get 2, 6, 3, 1. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 24. Now next number is 96. While doing the prime factorization, we get 48, we get 24, we get 12, we get 6, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we get 24 as 24 equal to 3 times 2 multiplied by 3, and 96 is 5 times 2 multiply 5 times 2 into 3. Now next is we have to circle common numbers. Common numbers are 2, 1, 2, 2, 3 2s are common, and one pair of 3 is also common. So HCF is the product of these common numbers. That is 1, 2, this 2 and this 2 into this 3. So what do you get here? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 3s are 20 is the HCF. Okay, so this is the method to find out HCF by prime factorization method. So other questions are there in the exam exercise. You try all these questions. Next is HCF by long division. Long division means in division same little different long division, but it is more or less same as our division. Okay, first question I have given you HCF was find the HCF of 96 and 36. 96 and 36, among these two numbers 96 is greater number, so we'll divide 96 by 36. Okay, what do you get as the quotient? 272. Okay, now subtract it 4, 24. Now take this 24 as divisor and dividend as 36. You have to continue the division. Now 24 and 36 one time will come 24. Because 24 2s are 48 only. So we cannot take that number. 24 2s are 48. Now subtract it, what do you get? 2, 12. Now this 12 comes as divisor and the dividend is 24. This divisor 24 comes inside. 12 2s are 24. So at last you will get 0 as the remainder. Then of these 3 divisors, the last divisor, the smallest divisor is HCF of these two numbers. Okay, so HCF is 12, which is the last device. That is the HCF. This is the long division method to find out HCF. Try for other questions. So many questions are there in your exercise. Try for it and write the solved question. I have given you one solved question. Write the prime factorization of the following numbers. Usme 78. I have given 78 as the first number. 78, you know how we can find out the prime factorization. 78. Just do it in your copy, and the notes I have given you. 78. Next, find the common factors and then find the HCF. 28 and 30. You have to find out 28 and 30 separate prime factorization. Then after that, make common numbers from that. As I shown here, 28, when you prime factorize it, you will get 2 into 2 into 7, and 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. So when we find out the common factor here, only 2 is the common factor. So among these two numbers, 28 and 30, 2 is the highest common factor. So 2 is the HCF. Now next number 6 and 40. 6 is 2 into 3, 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, so among these two numbers also we will get 2 as the common factor. Then HCF is 2 only. Okay, so these two examples, 1 and 2 examples I have shown in the notes. Just do other questions you do using these methods. Okay, try it, and if you feel any doubt, you can ask me while I open the window on Monday. Okay, so be ready for doubts. Okay, on Monday, and worksheet also I have given you. Just do these questions. Now you are not. I know you are not having your copy with you. Just do these questions in a rough copy, and when you get back the copies, you will get back the copies. You copy down all these questions in that. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day and stay home and healthy. Thank you, children.